All right, chicos, we are off on another adventure here. This is our first night we've left Cece at home, so we'll see how that goes when we get back to the house, guys. We're not sure where we're going. We just know we're going to get some food, right, babe?
Right. We have hunger.
We have hunger, that's right.
Tenemos hambre. Vámonos.
All right, let's go. Welcome, guys. You're with two gringos on the Gulf, Jennifer and Daryl, here in Oaxaca City. Hold on tight. She's another adventure off to nowhere. Guys, we're just exploring areas that we've never been to before. Buenas noches. Oh, look at the size of the fruit there. Pomegranate. Look how big it is. Yeah. Or falls on your head. That's a big one. It looks like it's ready to drop any time. Okay. Yeah. Well, I see a patio there. You want to go check that out? There's a couple of them up here. Let's check one of these places out. Sound good? Now this one on the corner's got one too. There's like 2 or 3 here. Yeah, so you got one here. Alright, chicos, the first place we looked at said they were closed because of the rain. Well, the rooftop was closed. This one here's got a cover, so Parador Monte Carmelo. We could go in here and check this place out, I think. Yeah, this place looks open. Rooftop right there. Raíces.
I think it means roots. I think Raíces means roots.
Alright, chicos, so we are at Raíces. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna have.
No, I'm gonna stop looking at that.
Sopa for 89 pesos, which is soup. Guacamole for 139, so there's your appetizers. Hamburger 169. Hamburger with cheese con queso 189. Oh, they have a special burger which is 219. Tapio. Ooh, salmon. Get some salmon for 219. That's not bad, really. Oh, baguettes. Oh yeah, I found the steaks, guys. So you got the ribeye, 450 pesos, 448. I'll say 450. T-bone, 399, so 400. New York, same price, 399. Oh, a little pricey. I believe my beer was Yeah, 58 pesos. 58 pesos for pretty much every beer except for the Victoria and the Corona, which are 52. All right, Chicos. So we just went with baguettes, and then we did order an appetizer too. I can't remember. What did we order for an appetizer, babe?
Tostadas.
Tostada, right? So we do have an appetizer coming. Buddy's setting up his guitar here. He's going to start playing right away. But there's absolutely nobody here now. There was one family here, a younger couple with a child. They're gone now. I think the weather might be keeping people away too. So it's a light mist when we're walking here. So we're just waiting for our appetizer now. I got a cold beer. Jennifer's just about done her drink over here now. So, oh, I seen a lightning flash there. I'm sure you guys caught that in the corner of your eye. Probably your right eye. Not really much to see up here as we're on the rooftop, but it's still nice ambiance. They got some gringo music playing in the background, but that's about to change pretty soon here. Okay, so our appetizer came here. Look at that. Wow. It's Muy Muy Grande. He said that's Muy Muy Picante, which I said perfecto. Gotta have the lime. That looks like a mess waiting to happen though. It's gonna be.
Yeah, but whenever we eat them, we really like them.
We do really like them, yeah. They are really good. We were gonna get the guacamole, and Jen's like, I said guacamole, and Jen's like, no, let's get this. And I'm like, okay, sounds good. Oh, how is it? Well, I'm gonna be putting some spicy verde salsa on mine. Okay, let's dig in, guys.
What?
Oh, Jennifer just made a big mess. She needs a bigger plate. Oh, look at this, man. How am I going to eat this thing? It's got to be like almost 6 inches high.
It's good though.
I'm going to have to add my own music in the background because this gringo music's going to give me a copyright. That's really good, yeah. So you got avocado, you got lettuce, you got beans on the bottom, and it looks like the chorizo sausage cut up here. I think that's what that is. Yeah. And that salsa is super spicy. Okay, so good. We're gonna dig in, guys. You're done. Get out. All right, chicos. The young fellow was not joking. That is muy muy picante. My mouth is still on fire. Let's have a drink here. Salud. Very good though. I just put a little bit on my sandwich because I like spicy. So, Jennifer, you've had 2 bites. How is it? It's nice. It's a sourdough bread, toasted. Got lettuce, ham, tomato, and it looks like some type of probably a herb mayo. Looks like. So, and then I've added a little bit of salsa on mine. And which sauce did he say this was?
Matcha, he called it, but it's not spicy at all.
No.
Very interesting flavor.
Yeah, so looks like an oil. Oh, it's got nuts in it. Oh, it probably has a little bit of mild pepper in there. Just very mild. Okay. So, the sandwich got some Dijon in there. Got some Dijon. It tastes like it's mixed in with the mayo. I can't see it on the sandwich, but I can taste it. There's definitely probably like a Dijon mayonnaise. Very good. The bread is very fresh too. As I said, it's a sourdough bread. Thumbs up. The giant is walking down the street. Jolly Green Giant.
Piensa que tal vez mañana yo ya estaré lejos, muy lejos de aquí.
All right, Chico, she's starting to come down pretty good. Our meal was 580 pesos, which is pretty reasonable. I believe 580. I'll double check with Jennifer. No, actually, sorry, no, it was 780. But considering we had 3 drinks plus an appetizer, yeah, pretty reasonable, I would say. The meal was 780, babe? Yeah, so 780. Jennifer said she went to the bathroom and on the door it had a moon and a sun. She didn't know. Adios, hasta luego. She didn't know which bathroom to go in. I said, well, moon and the sun, I'm thinking probably the sun would be for the female and the moon would be for the male. And she said that's what she thought too. But then when she went in, she couldn't get the light on for the poof. She couldn't get the light on for the sun one, so she went to the one with the moon. Well, she's raining pretty good now, Chico. Not bad anyway. It's definitely not just a little drizzle. And it's not a downpour, but we're just gonna walk to the church and then make our way home, guys, to the cathedral here. So you can hear the guy singing up there. He was pretty good, actually. I enjoyed that. So it was kind of nice. We had the tostada for the appetizer, 2 tostadas, and they were pretty big. And then we had just a sandwich.
I'm super full.
Yeah, I'm full too. Absolutely. Yeah, it was really good and filling for sure. But the tostada in itself was a meal pretty well.
It was so big and there was so much meat on it.
Yeah, there was a lot of meat on it. Yeah. So not only did it have the chorizo, which is like the spicy sausage cut up, which I'm really not a huge fan of. I don't mind it, but like that was good because it was mixed in with lettuce and, you know, on tostada. But just to eat it as a sausage, I'm not really a huge fan of it. But like that, it was good. And then it also had some pork on it. Some chopped up pork with a lot of fat. So that was really, really good. And like I said, we had 3 drinks, so I ended up having another one of those drinks that Jennifer had because I wanted to try it. It looked so good. And I just bought some passion fruit off my biking friend for 55 pesos a kg. So it must be the season for passion fruit. And I bought 2 kgs of passion fruit off of him, and he delivered it to my door on his mountain bike, of course. So that was kind of nice. So Jen's got lots of fruit for her smoothies. So let's make our way to the church, guys, and then we'll call her a night. Oh, look at this place here, eh? That's a nice bar. It's all closed up, though. It's got all the plants are there. Yeah, got all the plants in front of it. Oh, you probably got to go in this way, that's why. That's why. Hola.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches. Oh, muy, muy bonito. Wow, we'll have to go there sometime. But I'll have to stop there sometime. Looks really nice in there. So there's another place to check out. There's so many restaurants here and bars. I mean, you could eat at one every night for probably 2 years straight and not hit every place. Maybe 5 years and not hit every place. There's just so many. So many. Well, let's check out the nightlife down here a little bit. It is raining out, but the Oaxacans are used to that, so especially this time of year. It is the rainy season.
Hola, buenas noches. Tenemos
Buenas noches.
Restaurante.
Lots and lots of motorbikes. Well, even though it's raining, there's still a lot of people out and about. And there's rooftop restaurants everywhere.
Yeah, but don't eat at that one.
No, well, just be careful if you eat at this one right here by the cathedral. I paid a fortune for our meal here. My meal alone was 1,000 pesos. It was
1,200.
1,200, yeah. So we come down to these places at night. Now that we know we can leave Cece at home, so we'll see how he does when we get back to the house here.
Well, it was getting so that I didn't want you to go. He refused to come every single day.
Yeah. Well,
Let's go out at night.
no, he doesn't. No.
And we've been sticking close to home, so he's been very happy.
Yeah. Well, there you go, chicos. The church at night. And there's still a few people down here, even though it's raining out. So this isn't even the Zocalo. But I mean, all the restaurants and bars seem to be quite busy. Quite busy. Well, now that we got Cece at home, tucked in, we're gonna head home, guys. We'll stop and
Hi there. I can see my specs.
all right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it.
I hope you enjoyed that meal as much as we did.
Yeah, it was really good. It really was. So, God bless. Adios. Hasta luego. We're gonna make our way home.
Provecho.
And as always, be kind to one another. It's dark, it's rainy, and I almost should have put a jacket on, but vamonos, vamonos.